Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And right now we just checked out from the first hotel that we stayed. It was Marina Hotel, and it was really nice because it was cheap, but it's just a little bit far from the center. So now we're gonna be in our next hotel, and it will be just walking distance for everything. So that's why we're gonna transfer it there. And how much did you pay for it?
It's less than 400 per night, including breakfast for 2 people.
Okay, so it's less than 400 kroner with breakfast for 2 people, and we're gonna be staying until Sunday. So I hope it's gonna be an enjoyable day. I know. Dong, their houses here, the houses or buildings is not so classy compared to Denmark, no?
Yeah, the building. This city has been totally smashed down. The World War II. So this is built up by Russia basically.
Okay.
So it's just cement, functional, and cheap.
Yeah, that's what I noticed. It's not so classic and nice looking compared to Denmark. So I'm gonna have my coffee here right now, iced latte, for like 20 kroner. It's really good to wake up and then enjoy your coffee at the same time, and it's warm, so it's really, I mean, the weather is warm and the drink is cold. It's really good. Traffic. Just follow what's on the map. See? Pretty lady walking. See? That looks very nice.
I have to concentrate a little bit on that.
Højre bane for at tage rampen mod E65, og derefter hold til højre.
Which way? Oh my god. So much waste. It's a bit difficult there because there's big trucks. See? There's big trucks. So we just arrived to our second hotel and they are not done cleaning yet, but it's understandable because supposedly we have to check in around 4 in the afternoon, but we're already here. It's 1 in the afternoon, and I have to say, I think here in Poland it's so normal that the hotel doesn't have any aircon. The other one didn't have any aircon, but they got electric fan, and this one here is just too warm. Really, it's so warm, but it's a nice room. It's just, it's too warm. So a bit later, I think we have to go out and buy an electric fan, just a small one. My god, what a travel. So this is the room. Then it's not clean yet, but it looks okay. The lighting is fine.
It's only the bed who's not made.
Yeah, I don't know. Martin, they get very nice design here, no?
I think so. Brand
Yeah.
new, just opened Friday.
I can smell it.
Still smell the fresh paint.
Yeah. But I love the
industrial look. You can see the next
Yeah. Looks nice. The lights also is very artistic. Looks good. Love it. There's a little kitchen there. It's very nice. My only complaint is it's too warm. Too warm. Gosh, look at that view. It looks so nice. So, yan yung mga makikita natin dito. Andito kami sa lugar na yan. Iwan ko kung paano yan basahin. Right now, we are in our second hotel, and I cannot even pronounce the name. I will just insert the name below. So anyway, this is what you see when you get in. That's me in there. So as soon as you get in this side here,
I will not be in the video, and then you fucking
in this side here, so you can hang clothes, just whatever. And then here for the, of course,
main
electricity. Yeah. And so here, hanging, you can hang your clothes here. There's really a lot, huh? And so there, and then my God, it's too warm. And so here is the big mirror with good lights, faucet, and then here is the toilet. It's very small toilet. Get in here. The shower. Good size shower.
But how cute is this?
But this one is just so cute. Can you see? It's just my one hand. Anyway, it's okay.
How do you feel when the door is locked?
Don't! So there you go. I don't want to even lock. I feel like I'm gonna be in prison. So there. Here it comes. And then if you look at here comes the bed. It's actually a good bed. See? Looks nice. Some of our stuff there. Really big windows. And we will open it a bit later because it's just too warm. So there's a little light.
Hi, Lisa.
There is a sofa. And the TV, of course. Husband's talking with the daughter. A little table. Yeah, I think that's it. And how much did we pay for this? I think it's around 1,000 kroner for the next 3 days with breakfast. So this is the big window. I'm gonna open it up, and then this is what you will see. Just buildings. Buildings. We're actually in the middle of the center here, the city. There you go. They're doing some road construction there. It's so warm. There. So some, of course, where we can plug in our things. So, when we see a bed, the first thing to do, the first thing to do is to do this. Oh my God, it's just so nice. So right now, it's really too warm outside. So right now we have decided to just relax, maybe for the next 2-3 hours, just take a nap. And then a bit later, when it's not that warm outside anymore, then we will go out and eat out. So it's 3 in the afternoon right now. It's really warm. I mean, I am from the Philippines and I am used to warm, but this kind of warm here is just so dry warm that it feels like it's eating your skin. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna try to relax. I got maybe 2 hours, 3 hours to do so. Oh, I love this bed.